Alright, let's see if you pass the vibe, the dance.
Oh, yeah. I'm like, excuse me.
Check on your last, over. Fire at the moment, over.
Roger that, hold fast. Hey, hey, they know we're here, man. Fuck.
Yes, you are recording. This is gonna get messy.
Any second platoon element.
What? Odin!
Second platoon.
They really push down towards this.
Odin, this is 1-6. Odin, this is 1-6.
Somebody. I figured they'd try to do a little.
It is imperative that
Reinforcements to the right, we'll cover them.
Roger.
1-6, this is 6. Are you sending QRF time now, over? Eastern corner of the village at this time. They've made it past Connex, they're making their way towards spawn.
It sounds like a kid, but he's doing a great job of just.
Go for 6.
Be advised, QRF, correct?
No, they should. Spartan 7, Spartan 6.
Who are they? Who are they? Who are they?
Looks like Gorilla.
What's up, guys?
Roger, trap.
Here, I don't know what we're shooting at.
You guys got a sit rep?
We got 4 dudes up top. I'm not sure. Whoever's wearing blue.
They're trickling down. Exposed.
No, we still got my squads over there.
Okay.
Alpha 1-1 copy. We are currently holding down the buildings called on the road.
Creekside buildings, Rod.
Up the hill from Creekside, trying to push over towards Oregon. Alpha 1-1, where's 1-2? Holding territory, I was the furthest up front. If you
6, this is 1-6.
2, middle 2, do you copy?
Radio's gonna give away my position.
and holding the rear.
Fuck.
Metal 2, or light foot, either.
On the left from the log fort.
We're getting stepped on. Fuck. Ready to do some cowboy shit?
Don't we always? I don't know, but I can hear very quiet.
One, this is your platoon leader. 1-1, if you can hear me, these guys definitely intend to take your position. Yeah. My pouch.
He's going left to right. I don't mind if the noise is good, but at the same time, it might be.
This might be that gun truck. Did you tell him yellow? Getting rinsed a couple minutes ago, so they may be coming that way. Be advised, we just got reinforced over here on the road, all the way to the top of the hill and to the left along the orchard.
Do you want to move from here, or do we want to?
I have a little bit.
And he went that way.
Good. 6, this is 1-6. Road are positioned at the top of the hill at that far CP.
What is Oh, they got troop trap
Mhm.
out in the open.
If you want. Get you another sniper.
For whatever bullshit fucking reason.
Do you have more mid? I hate high cabs. This is
Should
interesting.
have like an expendable like playing card set. That here we're playing for money.
All stations be advised. Copy.
That's
1-1, this is your PL.
1-2, good copy.
Are you still